Do you find it hard to focus, constantly distracted, overwhelmed, or stressed out? What if you could turn all of that around? What if you could go from feeling stressed, cluttered, and unfocused to achieving a calm, clear mind and feeling fully productive? In this video, we are diving into 7 reasons why you cannot focus, and most importantly, how to fix it. Discover how simple changes can transform your workspace, your mindset, and your ability to concentrate like never before. Reason 1. Overwhelm and stress. When you are juggling multiple tasks or thinking about everything you should be doing, your brain becomes overloaded. This mental clutter leaves little room for concentration. It's like trying to use a phone with too many apps open. Eventually, it slows down and freezes. So, how do we fix this? Start by writing down your thoughts. The act of putting everything on paper clears your minds and gives you a sense of control. Prioritize your tasks. Break them down into small manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Reason 2. Technology and distraction. Technology, originally designed to assist us, has increasingly become overwhelming, constantly competing for our attention. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Your phone is buzzing with notifications, emails are popping up, and social media beckons you with the promise of endless scrolling. Every ping and buzz pulls your attention away, leaving your brain in a constant state of multitasking. So, what can you do about it? To regain control, it's essential to set clear boundaries with your technology. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use pop-up blockers on your browser. Stop looking at your phone every so often. Only check your phone when you are taking a break. Create a designated workspace where distractions are minimized. This way, your brain can focus more effectively on the task at hand. Reason 3. Lack of rest and self-care. Sometimes the issue is much simpler. You are just tired. When you don't get enough sleep or aren't taking care of your body, your brain struggles to focus. A fatigued mind is like a car running on empty. No matter how much you try to push through, you won't get very far. What is the solution here? Invest in self-care. Prioritize sleep, eat nourishing food, and take breaks throughout your day. Your mind and body need rest to recharge. A well-rested mind is far more capable of staying focused. Reason 4. Fear and perfectionism. Sometimes the fear of not doing something perfectly can lead to procrastination and an inability to focus. When you set impossible standards for yourself, the pressure can feel so overwhelming that your mind just shuts down, avoiding the task altogether. How do we overcome this? Let go the need to be perfect. Embrace the idea that done is better than perfect. Focus on progress, not perfection. Break large tasks into smaller, achievable chunks. Acknowledge each milestone achieved and celebrate victory along the way. Reason 5. Lack of clear goals. It's tough to stay focused when you don't have a clear direction. Without a solid goal or a sense of purpose, it's easy for your mind to wander. You need something concrete to work toward, something that excites and motivates you, something that ignites your passion and fuels your drive. So, what's the best approach here? Take a step back and clarify your goals. What is it that you truly want to accomplish? Break your goals down into specific actionable steps and set realistic deadlines. This roadmap will provide the necessary guidance, making it easier to direct your focus toward achieving the desired result. Reason 6. The internal chatter. Are you constantly worrying, planning, or rehashing past events? This mental noise drains your energy and prevents you from focusing on the task at hand. Unresolved emotions, anxieties, and worries can create a whirlwind in our mind, making it impossible to focus. Imagine trying to read a book while a storm rages inside you. it's nearly impossible. We often underestimate the impact of our emotional state on our ability to focus. So, how do we calm the storm? Practice mindfulness and meditation to improve your ability to stay present. Just a few minutes a day of focused breathings or mindfulness exercises can sharpen your concentration and help you stay grounded. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for processing emotions and clearing mental clutters. Reason 7. The environmental noise. Is your workspace cluttered or noisy? External chaos breeds internal chaos. What can we do to fix this? Clear your space. Your environment plays a huge role in your ability to concentrate. Cluttered surroundings lead to cluttered mind. Take a few minutes each day to tidy your workspace. Keep only the essentials on your desk and make sure your space feels inspiring, calm, and organized. A peaceful environment will significantly enhance your concentration and improve focused attention. The truth is, distractions will always be there. Life is fast-paced, and technology is constantly pulling at our attention. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can train yourself to stay focused, even when life gets in the way. When you reclaim your focus, you will experience a profound sense of accomplishment. You will find yourself more creative, more efficient, and more fulfilled. You will be able to dive deep into your work, experience flow, and unlock your true potential. The first step is acknowledging the struggle and realizing it's something you can change. Focus isn't about forcing yourself to work nonstop. It's about creating an environment, a routine, and a mindset that help you stay on track. Take it one day at a time, and before you know it, you will find yourself effortlessly focused, moving steadily toward your goals. Want to put your focus to the ultimate test? I have created a fun 3-minute mind games that throws distraction at you from every angle. You will have to keep your eyes on the focus point. See how long you can stay focused. Think you can handle it? Click here to play.